Hi YouTube. Today, this video I bring to you what I bring or what I consider my EDC. What I bring to every work order that I have on my day-to-day basis. Um, this is the backpack that I use. It's the Klein's Tools Tradesman's Pro, I believe it's called. And in here, it carries everything that I need to get me through my day. It's really great quality, sturdy. Zippers feel great. It's got a rubber back, so you can set it down on the floor and it won't fall. Starting the outside, I have a 25-footer DeWalt measuring tape. Not the best, but does the job. I've had it for about 3 years. Still running great. On the other side, I carry electrical tape, white and yellow Teflon. I carry a little scraper. I also carry a little torpedo level from Empire. It's got the 0, 45, and 90 degrees, so pretty convenient. Works great. And it's got two bags in here. This little compartment, I carry gloves from Milwaukee. These are really great. I carry these. Carry a little pouch from Husky. I don't carry anything, just carry nitrile gloves in here. You guys wouldn't believe the nasty things that I encounter on my day. I also carry an assortment of screws, like drywall screws, 3 inches, 2 inches, inch and a quarter. These are used pretty often. Some wire knots, a couple of self tappers and whatnot. Just some random stuff. And then up here, this is a hard case. I guess you can put your cell phone in there if you need to, or your safety glasses, but I don't carry that stuff. And here I carry a little outlet tester from Commercial Electric. You can find this at your local Home Depot. Works good. Carry a Klein Tools outlet electrical voltage tester. Works great. And this is just my backup. Recently I upgraded to this one. This one has a thermostat in it. You can see the little laser. It's thermostat, so you can take readings of temperatures for ACs or heaters and whatnot. This is my main one now, but this is my backup. It's really good. Carry a couple zip ties. Carry 2 sets of Allen keys. These are SAE and these are millimeters. You always need keys. I carry a couple of fuses. That's it. Just a couple. Carry this thing. This is the wrench for the garbage disposals. This you need one of this if you're a maintenance guy in an apartment complex. Let's move on to the inside now. The inside's pretty big actually. Here, I'll open it for you guys. I keep all my tools in here. So in here I keep 2 sets of screwdrivers, Phillips and flathead from Klein. Really good quality. I keep a 11-in-1 from Milwaukee. I just got this like 2 weeks ago, so testing it out. Works great so far. Keep a set of vice grips. These are Husky. They do the job. They work great. I got a 6-inch extension bit from Bosch. I love this one. And got a 11-inch. This one's a flexible one. So whenever can't use this one, use this one. Flexes. I keep 2 sets of little channel locks for whenever the big ones don't fit. I got these are brand new. I got these 2 days ago, so I used to have 2 pairs of these, but they just were so worn out, the old ones, and got a new set. I have the Milwaukee wire cutters. These feel great. I like Klein, but these were cheaper and they feel good quality. Got the Milwaukee needle nose pliers. I keep a couple of writing utensils. I keep a couple carpenter's pencils, a pen, little screwdriver from old HD Supply, and little screwdriver from Klein. This is brand new as well. As you can see, I haven't taken off the bit yet, but it's got a flat head and little Phillips head on this side for the thermostats. I have a buddy of mine that says this works great, so still yet to try it out. A couple other writing pencils. I got a fat Sharpie, got a pen, another Sharpie. That's that. On the other side, I have a couple of screwdrivers. These are insulated, General Electric, commercial electric. They're good for up to 1,000 volts. I'm not brand loyal. These do the job. Milwaukee's, I'm sorry, the Kleins are just too expensive, and these work great so far. Got little Milwaukee wire cutters, wire strippers. I've had these for some time. They were great. I have the Milwaukee shin snips. I like these better than the Wiz. Just the grip, that's it. But Wiz are great. But Wiz, I'm sorry, they're great. Just like the grip on these. Got my big channel locks. There's 10 inchers. These are real workhorses. I got 2 of them. I carry a little box cutter from Stanley. You can put extra knives in here. Carry a backup knife. Carry a flashlight. This is really bright for inspections and whatnot. I also have this little Milwaukee bit holder. I carry just random bits, a couple of extra bits, Torx, flatheads, Phillips, a couple of titanium coated drill bits whenever I need to make a hole or something. And these are fitted for the impact driver, so I don't need 2 drills. Keep a couple of these bit holders. This is for Makita. They don't like it much, but it's there. Got the nut wrenches or nut little bolt holders, whatever these things are called. Got the 5/16, 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 7/16. So these are it. And what else do we have in here? I have another pouch. I just carry batteries in here. AAA, AA, for thermostats or carbon monoxide, smoke alarms. They just stay here. Don't bother anybody. Some old trusty WD-40. I got this baby one in here. As it fits, doesn't occupy a lot of space. So there's that, and that's it pretty much. Oh, I also carry this bad boy right here. This is the Milwaukee impact driver M12. This is a little 12 volt. Works great. I don't need anything bigger. I have the bigger impact drivers, but I don't need them for 90% of my job. If I need them, I'll just go grab them. Yeah, so this is what I carry. This bag, man, this is quality. Alright, so this is what I carry on my day-to-day. guys. I don't need more, I don't need less. It's just my most important stuff that I like to carry with me. They work for me, they do the job. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments what's your setup. Let me know if I should add something or if something that I don't need. This is only my third video on YouTube, so I really appreciate it. You guys watching. Content will get better, I promise. I'm new at this. Alright, so take care, leave a like, and subscribe.